Hello, little one. Today we are doing something amazing. Are you ready to build your very first website? Look, my friend Mrs. Penguin is here to help.
Little one, let's start with a fun question. How many lines of code do you think a website needs? 10? 100? Guess now. Answer later. In this discovery workshop, you'll learn 1. HTML, the secret skeleton of websites. 2. CSS, the power of colors and animations. 3. JavaScript, the magic that makes buttons dance.
So, little one, excited to start? Next time, we will answer a big question.
Psst. What is a website really? Is it just words, pictures, or something way cooler? Don't miss the big reveal. Smash that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. How many lines of code does your favorite site have?